Okay, to solve these types of problems, we need to really understand what this division bar means. So it's helpful to think about rewriting this problem so you see what's happening to the numerator. This equation can be rewritten as 1/3 times negative 6x plus 2. Dividing by 3 is the same as taking a third of something. So when we look at it like this, we can think about a third of something is equal to 8. So we have to think about what a third of would be 8. And hopefully we know that a third of 24 is equal to 8. So when we work on solving this problem, we need to recognize that negative 6x plus 2 has to be equal to 24, because when I take a third of it, I'll get 8. So we're going to look at solving this problem and showing mathematically what's happening during our steps of solving. So since this equation is a third times negative 6x plus 2, I need to essentially triple each side, because a third times 3 would kind of cancel out. So I'll multiply this side by a 3. And when we do that, we can see that everything cross cancels, and these two fractions become a whole. And when we distribute 1, it wouldn't change the value. So when I multiply the left-hand side by 3, I'm left with negative 6x plus 2, and on the right-hand side I get 24, which is what we knew needed to happen. From here, it's just a solving problem as usual. We would subtract 2 from each side. I'd get negative 6x equals 22, and then I would divide by negative 6. That would leave me with x, and that is equivalent to negative 3 2/3.